Nsala soup with only fish. Very small one. Let's do that. I have my stockfish and catfish, grilled mackerel fish and my fresh catfish. Now I'm going to add it to my clean pot. I've already added salt. I'm going to add my stockfish and catfish already pre-cooked. Seasoning cubes, blended peppers and onions, some crayfish, uziza seed, a tiny bit of ehuru, ugiri Igbo. Now add a little bit of water, cover and allow it to cook. Now let's check. At this time I'll add my blended yam. What is Fish Nsala without blended yam or pounded yam? You pound it or you blend it. Anyone you are comfortable with. I'm going to add gradually because I don't want it that thick. Add gradually until I achieve the right consistency. I'm going to cover and allow the yam to dissolve. Let's check. Now the yam has not dissolved really well. I'm going to add my grilled mackerel fish at this point. Now add more crayfish. Just a gentle stir. Cover and allow it to cook more. Our soup is ready. Is that quick? Pick one, you guys. This is good. I love the consistency and yeah. We are done cooking. I'm gonna off the heat. It's done. The consistency is just perfect.